The Bali Bird Park in Bali, Indonesia. It is a 2-hectare sanctuary in the Gianyar Regency near Ubud, housing over 1,300 birds from 250 species. It recreates natural global habitats, like South America, Africa, and Papua, while serving as a major conservation and breeding center for endangered Indonesian wildlife, such as the Bali Starling. Stroll through large walk-through aviaries containing exotic birds like macaws, hornbills, and Pesquet's parrots. Prices at the Bali Bird Park are 385,000 rupiah for international adults and 265,000 rupiah for international children, ages 2 to 12. However, prices vary significantly based on residency status and booking methods.